Hello internet people, my name is Robert, and in this video I'll go through why you should strongly consider email marketing to grow your traffic to your website and how you can generate revenue from it. First of all, the biggest benefit of email marketing, or basically creating your own email list, is that you're completely own it. For example, even if you are big on Instagram, one day they might just decide to shut you down. Boof, and your account is gone. There's nothing you can do about it. Also, with most social media, your post will be shown maybe to 2 or 3% of your followers. But guess what? All of your email list will get your email, although probably about 20% will actually open it. But that's still 10 times more than with most social media posts. Now, what can help you to stand out online is today's sponsor, Tailor Brands. Because you'll be able to create a logo, whole brand identity, social media assets, website, and even business email all in one place. And if you are in the US, Tailor Brands can even help you with setting up an LLC company without the hassle. They'll take you through every step so you can run your website like a registered business. Check out the link in the description below and use Punch40 for 40% off Tailor Brands plans. Another thing that I like about email marketing is that usually people are not that loyal to any given website when they are searching for stuff. They visit your site, read it, get the value, and never come back. But if you're able to convince the person to leave their email address with you, that means you can reach out to this person on other topics. In other words, you can get return visitors to your website every time you send an email. And Google likes that. The cool thing about email marketing is that you can make it super targeted. Did someone sign up to your newsletter on a vegan recipe page? Well, probably you don't want to send them how to slow cook a juicy beef roast. Instead, you can target them with your other vegan recipes and maybe throw in your vegan recipe book that they can purchase conveniently on your website. That was just a random example, but it applies to any topic and niche. And it works when you are selling directly to consumers and when to business. And the fourth reason I like email marketing is that it is cost effective. Now, depending on the source, you're looking at an average return of investment of about $38 for every $1 spent. Obviously, you need to have something to sell and know how to nurture your list, but it's all very possible with a bit of practice. So here are a few ways you can make money with email marketing. Obviously, you can just send informational emails and direct people from your email to your full article on your website and get revenue through that. But that's a bit too obvious. But did you know you can monetize the email itself? Yeah, you can actually have premium emails that people have to pay to receive. Obviously, you need to have a compelling offer, but for example, fictional book authors could have a premium email where they expand on their side character from the book or something else that people would be willing to pay for. Also, you can just directly have products in the email and sell them through that. And don't forget, this applies to services too. There are many email marketing platforms that offer features to sell products or services directly from their platform. So you don't even need a website for that. And lastly, if you have a lot of people reading your newsletter, then you can also get sponsors to advertise in your emails or use affiliate marketing to recommend products and get some commissions every time somebody purchases that product. For example, Morning Brew is doing just that. They have a huge email list and they monetize it through sponsors and affiliate partnerships. And talking about monetization, don't forget to check out Tailor Brands. The link and the coupon code are in the video description. Now, to get started with email marketing, it's actually pretty simple. You just need to pick a tool, and to do that, check out this video right here where I show you my 5 favorite email marketing platforms based on different needs. Some of them are totally free to start with. Just start doing this as soon as possible. It takes time to build up a newsletter list, so the sooner you start, the quicker you get there.